I'm Daniel. I got this wedding gig from a classmate of mine named Tammy. I set up the JVC in the back to get a wide angle, and then I had a DSLR, a Canon 5D. I used the 50 millimeter for some parts. It was a great learning experience. What I took from this made me kind of boost my confidence a lot more. And just coming from MediaTech, that first semester you're learning everything, and then now I went and did my own gig by myself. I knew what I was doing, I know how I did everything, and I just set up the way they taught me, and it came out better than I thought. Here's a couple of my favorite shots that I shot this weekend, and if you want to learn more, subscribe down below.